She's a moon goddess because she's a goddess of liminal spaces. Now, Hekate being associated with the moon actually comes down to a broader aspect of her being the goddess of liminal space. And she predates ancient Greece. Like, she comes from, like, what is now modern day Turkey. Like, she's old, ancient, okay? Now, there is this quote from Hecate's Satira, and it's, "Every limen, the threshold, the crossroads, the gate, the frontier, is by definition detached from its surroundings. The boundary itself must be regarded as a sort of permanent, chaotic limbo, associated with neither of the two extremes divided." It was in the interstices between safely defined territories, home, sanctuary, city, and times, new and old month, that dangerous spirits were emboldened to attack the unwary. So Hekate had shrines in thresholds, right, in doorways. She stood over this idea of the in-between spaces because of the tension of the physical world and the ether. In the Middle Platonic doctrine, they talk about the moon being a liminal point. They say the moon is a liminal point and a transmissive or mediating entity between the sensible and the intelligible worlds. So naturally, Hekate would fall into that. And she is the conscious celestial counterpart to the sun. And because of this, how can she be over these liminal spaces? Because there's this part of her, that this aspect of her being the cosmic soul, the anima mundi. Now, this cosmic soul, again, is so much bigger than just liminal spaces, but liminal spaces is where you can tap into it. Because she can facilitate those conversations between man and God. This quote, "She ensouled the cosmos and individuals, formed the connective boundary between the divine and human worlds, facilitated soul-releasing communication between man and God. She's like a bridge, or the holder of keys." Then Periphery gives us this banger line in Philosophy from Oracles. They say, "I come, a virgin of varied forms, wandering through the heavens, bull-faced, three-headed, ruthless with golden arrows, chaste Phoebe, bringing light to mortals, Elethea, goddess of childbirth and labor pains, bearing the three synthemata of a triple nature. In the ether I appear in fiery forms, and in the air I sit in a silver chariot. Earth reigns in my black brood of puppies." I'm putting that on my wall.